Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Telegram using an app. And let's get started. First, open Telegram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, open the chat of the person you think may have blocked you, but now it only shows last seen a long time ago or nothing at all. This could be a sign. Note this alone is not 100% proof because privacy settings can hide this. The person profile page is gone and you only see a blank image. This is another possible sign. If you could see their photo before and now you can't, it may mean you were blocked. Send a message in the chat. One tick mark means message sent. Two check marks means delivered. If your message stay on one check mark for a long time, it may mean the person blocked you. Try making a Telegram voice call. If the call never connects or fails immediately, this is another strong sign of being blocked on Telegram. And that's it. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.